flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Here's the
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣. In this channel we do lifestyle and everything in between. So today is on Tuesday and I want to go to Carrefour because I need to get a blender and water kettle. So I want to take you guys with me. Hope you enjoy this vlog and I will show you around. Maybe if there will be any offers, mtaona. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Share my content, like and comment. So I decided to go to Garden City because kunakuanga na shops mingi and I wanted to pitia through Mr. Price to check for a certain duvet cover that I've been desiring for. It's eggshell white and the texture is very specific. I wanted it for my bedroom because even though I have a duvet, I love white and the feel of how white makes me feel like niko hoteli. So that's why I always buy white beddings. However, I didn't get the specific duvet that I was looking. Zenye zilikuwa hazikunifurahisha. Alafu the prices were very high. The reason why I was looking for that duvet, it's because it doesn't shade. Kuna duvet zingine, duvet covers zingine hapo za white zenye we had bought and they were shading a lot of things that look like cotton, and when you just clean it house, you just collect a bunch of white things. I don't know if I will manage to ever show you guys, but maybe siku moja nikiwaifanya washing mtaona. When I was going to Carrefour, I realized there is outlet here, Hot Point there at Garden City. So I entered and I bought my kettle and my blender from the shop. This is me. I was trying to record a video, but I didn't realize I didn't capture the prices. But what I can see is that although outlet near Hot Point, kuna all the big brands that you may want. The electronics also. Yeah, from TV, fridges, air fryers, toasters. So if you're meaning to get any of that, kindly just check out what they are selling. Alafu this place has offers. Although the product that I wanted didn't have an offer, you can always go there and check.
watch the time pass us by. Here's this feeling lying. Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up desires. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo, put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Yeah. Moving through all my feels, you're blurring out my vision. Watching your every smile like your television. In your eyes I see myself, I'm falling. Make it make sense, it must be the temptation speaking. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo, put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. giving me hopeless solution, hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real.
After shopping, we wanted to catch up, so we went to a pizza, but kainda yangu I wanted tea, so my friends offered to go and buy me tea. Unfortunately, walienda wakanunua chai at Big Square. And let me tell you guys, chai at Big Square, ata coffee yao is so below average. I can rate it 2 out of 10. Coffee, 1.5 out of 10. What do you guys think about their tea and coffee? They're just pathetic. Maybe it's not me. Leave a comment if you have an experience with their coffee and chai. Please leave a comment, tell me what you think. Yes, but the pizza was enjoyable. It was yummy, it slapped. We catched. I don't like pizza very much. I rarely eat pizza unless I'm with my friends and that they suggest that we take pizza because maybe it's on a Tuesday na tumejipata kwa mall. So we end nice evening, tuka catch up over the pizza, and I ended up going home a little bit late, around 10, and my evening was such a success.
Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution, hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution, hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. You're a trip giving me hopeless solution, hopeless solution. Yeah. Moving through all my feels, you're blurring out my vision. Watching your every smile like your television. In your eyes I see myself, I'm falling. Make it make sense, it must be the temptation speaking. What am I?
Guys, nilikuwa nimewambia I'm back home. It's a little bit late because we went to have some pizza because today is on a Tuesday with my friends, my 2 good friends, and I said I'm going to get a blender and a kettle, which I managed to buy, and ziko hapo. Nilienda Garden City and I decided to go to the Hot Point because they have an outlet there, but kadipata pia nimeingia Carrefour, and this is the shopping that I did. I want to unbox it with you. For the shopping nilitumia around 7,955, and this is just a kettle, a very minimalistic and affordable that I got. I just bought it because it's white. White is my favorite color, followed by gray. Most of the things I purchase are white. Hata sijuangi, subconsciously najipatanga nimenunua vitu za white. That is it. Na iko na warrant. The next thing that I bought is this blender that I will show you. Let's get this out of the way. Next thing I bought is this blender. I didn't want something very, very, very expensive because I was on budget, but this is almost 5,000. What happened? I don't mind to spend it that amount because nilikuwa nimeorder something online kutoka Jumia. Nikanunua a Brahm one which is very cheap. It was 3,500, but ilikuja ikiwa faulty. Nika return and it didn't work. They didn't replace for me. And now this is the blender. I don't know if I should assemble it for you, Hii ni kifuniko yake, but yeah, you get the gist. I just needed a blender because I really do love taking smoothies and juice, and I realized nikikunywa zaidi najipata niko sick. So we will see each other when I'm using it, but that is the color that I chose because I didn't have any white option. What do you think about it, guys? These Dettol soaps. You know why I bought this one? It's because it's a value pack. Ukibuy bill unapata moja. This one ni poa kwa skin yako, and no, you can't go you can't go wrong with Dettol. That was for 45 if I'm not wrong. Then I needed a Vim, and this Vim is cheap. Okay, it's a detergent for the washing toilets from my house, and it was like 160, and it was the cheapest, and you can see how big it is. Let me see. You guys, you should just try things that are on budget. Like you can buy things that are good, like it's a product ya Universal, I trust it well. Like iko sawa, si ndio? Ni 1 kg. Then I bought this one. It's a jelly. Or instead of buying Vaseline, I said I want to try this because my friend recommended it. And then I needed a washing powder. And today I bought this one. Msafi zinakwanga cheap, I don't understand. And they are not very bad. So guys, I would recommend you try this Msafi. It was $2.20. And then I got myself this shower gel. I love it. I love Dove product. So this was actually $7.75. This is for myself. And then I didn't have a lotion, and I bought this one, which was like $5.50. But uzuri, this one really smells nice, and it serves for a long time. Then nikanunua utu tu sabuni. Sijui prices, but they are nice. Ni za kuogea. Some people prefer this, so they will be used around the house also. And then I needed easy sokoni. Easy sokoni, they are value pack. I don't know how much they are, but I think they are less than 100. Yeah, I needed this because my sufurias zinashika black, and I needed to try scrub them. Then okay, itu tulikuwa tusita, and then nikapia hii which was on a budget. It was on offer, I mean. So guys, nilinunua hii sabuni. I don't know if it makes sense. It was on offer, and it was $2.73, and it's usually $2.95 or $2.96. So me, I was like, this is on budget, because it's on a small offer. Who is me not to take it? So yeah, hii ni Menengai, and Menengai is nice. Guys, what do you think of Menengai? And then brand, I always take brown brand, and this is a cheap brown brand because it is 89 bob. The next thing, today I bought this Royco Mchuzi mix because I was with my friend and she recommended it. Okay, I don't usually buy Royco Mchuzi. I always buy the Royco cubes, but I will see if I love it. And my kawaida tea leaves, actually I think these tea leaves are cheap because they are 112 na zinakwanga 25. Guys, what do you think? So I got these two. I got two of them. Are they cheap? Or which tea bag do you recommend? And they are nice, as in a heartburn, for people who have heartburn issues like me. The next thing, I bought this bluebird. It was $4.40, na iko na hii Insta uji. Nilichukua cause nitafuta ile ndogo nikakosa, but I don't take jam. I I don't take hizo vitu zingine zenye you can take with bread. I always use Bluebird, so I think I will use it. Ita go wrong, haitaribika. Beriti in plenty. Halafu nikanunua mafuta. This is the only mafuta that was on offer. And guys, offers, because the economy is bad. Manenos. Dear Lord, it was $9.99, so it's like 1,000 bob, and it was on offer, guys. It's 3 liters. Okay, I realized nikinunua mafuta kidogo inaisha haraka, so I prefer buying something big. What do you think, guys, about mafuta? Ukinunua kama mafuta kadogo, it's more expensive because you keep using mafuta inaisha haraka, and it's expensive in the long run. Then the last time I went for shopping, I didn't buy unga. Nilinunua moja na inaisha because all day imekuwa. My mother came around, my brother and my friends, so tumetumia shopping, and I'm very grateful that I had people around me coming to see me. It has been the best holidays. So nikaongeza unga, nilinunua 2. A meza is 240, so nilinunua 2 of them. Na nikaongeza mchele. This is a cheap peptan tomato sauce. It is 170, guys. Again, budget. This is the second unga. This was 650 something. Okay, my memory, but yeah, that is all for the shopping. Now of course chumvi, because najipatanga sina chumvi. I have salt, but I decided to add this one. It's 1 kg. It the cheapest things in Kenyan shops ni chumvi. So ilikuwa that, guys. This is all that I got. The blender and the kettle that ilinipeleka huko, and bite nizo vitu zote zenye I ended up getting. But yeah, I spent a total of 15,000, and that's all I got for that money. Kenyan economy sucks, but yeah, we move. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment.